it would probably be a good idea for you to put all of the signups in one, all the appointments in one sign up, so you only have to share one link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my name up here. I'm going to go to signups, and I've done two of my days already. I did my open house time and then my daytime one that I have to do during family outreach. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything um, on the same sign up. So I'll fix this later, but I'm going to show you how to add another day. So to what you have already. So say you did your open house first, you're going to go to that sign up again, and you're going to go to slots, and you're going to add another date. But instead of, don't do this from calendar, do the same way you did before, add time slots. And I'm going to add my Thursday daytime meetings here during family outreach, which I'm actually going to do during my lunch period because there's not family outreach that day. So I'm going to put, let's say, 12:30 right after class is over to uh, to 1:15, and then I have PLC. So I'm going to make my time slots every 10 minutes. I'm going to put the Zoom for the location. I'm going to use that same Zoom link that I made for my other ones. I'm going to add the time slots, and then I'm going to have to go. Actually, what it did was it created those time slots for me anyway. So now I have 4 Wednesday ones and 4 Thursday ones. So I'm going to click save. So now, once I add my homeroom, my open house one into here, this will be one link. So what I can do is, if I save it, and then I go to, oops, I should probably go to share. Actually, I go to share. I'm going to use that link, and now when I send this link out in Schoology and Jupiter and wherever we're going to send it from, all those times will be available in one email. So you definitely want to do that. You want to make sure it's one sign up. I think you want to do that. Make sure it's one sign up. Add the dates, like I said, and it really populates the slots for you after you do your first like long term sign up, like 6 to 8. Once you do go through all that, it seems like it's going to populate those the slots in the 1 to 150 time period for another day, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm going to close with that, and you can copy that link and send it to your families.